Hi friends, welcome to War India News Hour. It is the right time to build customer experience strategy. Today, people need extra information, guidance and support to navigate a novel set of challenges, from keeping their families safe and helping their kids learn when schools are shut down. They want a resource they can trust, that can make them feel safe when everything seems uncertain, and that offers support when so much seems to be overwhelming. With immense price pressure across the country, many of the brands have come out with discount prices in order to reach their sales targets. Since price cutting is not a long-term sustainable strategy, 35% of their members are making customer experience their number one focus. Customer experience is the most exciting opportunity to businesses next year, and the reason is simple. The companies that focus on customer experience reduce churn and increase revenues, leading to higher profits. As the novel coronavirus has forced people into a digital-only way of life, it's important for businesses to infuse virtual experiences with a human touch. It is really a great deal which would require a deeper appreciation of putting people first, where the brands will have the opportunity to show their true performances, like how the brands and consumers are capable of adopting a positive way for change that is imposed upon all of us. Let's look into today's headlines in War India. CERT-In, right to Twitter on high-profile hacking. India's cybersecurity nodal agency CERT-In has issued a notice to Twitter asking it for full details of the recent global hack targeting high-profile users. It sought complete information on the number of users from India who have visited the malicious tweets and links, and whether the affected users have been informed by the platform about unauthorized access to their Twitter accounts. The demand for hyperscale data centers is on the rise. The growth of digital business in India is expected to rise substantially. It fuels the consumption market, with digital data consumption expected to increase. The market is expected to see a strong resurgence of growth-related projects across verticals, that is banking, insurance, telecom and government sectors. Poly leads industry with the most Microsoft Teams certified headsets. Poly, a global communications company that powers meaningful human connections and collaboration, announced it has the largest portfolio of Microsoft Teams certified headsets available, offering greater flexibility and choice, with more than 20 headsets and personal speaker phones certified for Teams. Yotta Infrastructure signs MOU with Government of Tamil Nadu. Yotta Infrastructure, a managed data center service provider developing hyperscale data center parks in India, today signed an MOU with the Government of Tamil Nadu to set up a data center park in Chennai. This will also help to generate approximately 2,000 to 2,500 direct and indirect jobs in the state of Tamil Nadu. Vodafone Idea pays rupees 1,000 crores to DoT towards AGR dues. Vodafone Idea has paid the telecom department rupees 1,000 crores more, its third tranche towards adjusted gross revenue dues, taking the total amount paid to the government so far to rupees 7,854 crores. As per the order, VIL has to pay around rupees 51,400 crores of dues to the government. A citizen sued tech giants for allegedly using biometric data without consent. Two Illinois residents have sued tech giants Amazon, Google and Microsoft for using their faces for training facial recognition systems without consent, as per a report by Softpedia. The action of the tech giants violates the Biometric Information Privacy Act, that is BIPA. BIPA was passed in 2008 to protect the residents of Illinois against the unauthorized use of their biometric information. Chinese companies are under the lens of Government of India over links with PLA. A number of Chinese companies that are present in India, as well as some foreign companies with investments from across the border, are under the scanner for alleged links with the People's Liberation Army, that is PLA, as the centre presses ahead with its plan to prune China's involvement in the economy. Sources said some of the Chinese mining, steel and even auto companies have had links with the PLA in the past, although they may be unhooked now as part of the reorganization exercise. Beware of the malware for the point of sale. POS machines stand for all the hardware as the POS system can record and track customer orders, process credit cards and debit cards, connect to other systems in a network and manage inventory. The malware is said to have harvested payment information, and the malware was found on payment processing servers which were used at restaurants and bars in the hotel group. Stolen data included cardholders' names, card numbers, expiry dates and internal verification codes. GitHub stores 21 terabytes of open source code. GitHub teamed up with PIQL, a Norway-based computer services company that specializes in data preservation, to write 21 terabytes of repository data onto 168 reels of digital photosensitive archival film. The boxes of film reels, emblazoned with GitHub's Octocat logo, were then shipped to Longyearbyen, a town of more than 2,000 people. BCCI ordered to pay Rs 4,800 crores to Deccan Chargers. In 2012, Deccan Chronicle Holdings had challenged the alleged illegal termination for the first time. Now, the BCCI has been ordered to pay around 4,800 crores to Deccan Chargers after the now defunct Indian Premier League franchise won the arbitrary case. A Bombay High Court appointed arbitrary tribunal found illegal the termination of Deccan Chargers by the BCCI. Finally, at this time of reset, there is a need to connect directly with the customers through the customer service channels, and can place your researchers and other customer experience team members on the front line of your customer service, listening to the calls and observing the social media channels. It's important to understand how people are thinking about your products and services before you start making changes to your customer touch points and communications. COVID update. There is a record break of single-day spike of 40,425 COVID-19 cases. India now stands at 11,18,021 and there are 3,90,459 active cases in the country, while 7,86 people have recovered and 1 person has migrated. The recovery rate stands at 62.61%. The death toll due to the disease rose to 27,497 with 681 fatalities reported in one day. To sum up, as COVID-19 has paralyzed businesses and society worldwide, nearly every technology company and almost every business is desperately determining how to use its arsenal of technology to combat the increasingly severe disruption caused by coronavirus. At this time, digital delivery has become a necessity for most customers who are confined at home. Adoption has grown strongly even among the most digitally resistant customers. For some companies, the rapid development of digital functionalities is key to ensuring continuity of services. Organizations are now continuing to invest in their digital strategy while balancing short-term efforts with long-term measures will emerge from this pandemic more competitively. Investments are expected from across the board: public sectors, service providers, financial services and higher education. The hospitality, the leisure and the travel sectors are expected to struggle some more, so it is going to vary greatly by industry-wise. We wish Jio to come out with the global scale 4G and fiber network to get powered by several core software technologies and components. Along with over 20 startup partners, Jio has built world-class capabilities in technologies such as 4G, 5G, cloud computing, devices and OS, big data, AI, AR, VR, blockchain and computer vision to bring the cutting-edge technologies also into 5G. With this, the Jio Platforms is conceived with the vision of developing original, captive intellectual property. With this, the platform can demonstrate transformative power of technology across multiple ecosystems, first in India and then the rest of the world. That's it for the day. But do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to War India News Magazine. Please download the War India app for the latest news and updates, which is available on Google Play Store. Stay tuned for more updates. Thank you.